Welcome to the Maze of Truth. I have a very curious question. Have you ever noticed that when it comes to alcohol, the playing field doesn't always seem level between men and women? It's not just anecdotal. Science has some fascinating insights into why alcohol often hits women harder and faster. Today, we're diving into the biological and physiological factors that explain this difference, drawing from recent neuroscience research. Get ready to unravel the truth behind alcohol's distinct effects on the female body. Number 1. Women's body composition. Let's start with a fundamental difference. Body composition. On average, women tend to have a higher percentage of body fat and a lower percentage of water compared to men of similar weight. Now, why does this matter for alcohol? Well, alcohol is water-soluble. When you drink, the alcohol disperses throughout your body water. With less water to dilute the alcohol, the concentration in a woman's bloodstream tends to be higher after consuming the same amount of alcohol as a man. Think of it like adding the same amount of food coloring to two different sized glasses of water. The smaller glass will have a much more intense color. Number 2. ADH. Next up, how our bodies break down alcohol. The primary enzyme responsible for the initial metabolism of alcohol is called alcohol dehydrogenase, or ADH. Interestingly, women generally have lower levels of ADH activity in their stomachs compared to men. This means that a larger proportion of the alcohol consumed by women enters the bloodstream before being metabolized. It's like a less efficient first line of defense, allowing more alcohol to reach the brain and other organs more quickly. Number 3. Hormones. Now, let's talk hormones. The article we're exploring highlights the potential role of hormonal fluctuations in women, particularly estrogen levels. Research suggests that alcohol's effects can be amplified during certain phases of the menstrual cycle when estrogen levels are higher. While the exact mechanisms are still being investigated, it's clear that the complex interplay of hormones in the female body can influence how it processes and reacts to alcohol. This adds another layer to why the experience with alcohol can vary even within individuals over time. Number 4. Gender size difference. This might seem obvious, but it's a crucial factor. Generally, men tend to be larger and weigh more than women. Since alcohol's effects are related to the concentration in the bloodstream, a smaller body mass with the same alcohol intake will naturally lead to a higher blood alcohol concentration, BAC. Even if body composition and metabolism were identical, the smaller volume of distribution in a woman's body would result in a greater impact from the same amount of alcohol. Number 5. Female brain responsiveness. Finally, the neuroscience article we're referencing touches upon potential differences in how the brain responds to alcohol. Studies suggest that women may be more susceptible to the neurological consequences of alcohol consumption over time. This could involve greater vulnerability to alcohol-related brain damage and cognitive impairments. While the exact reasons for this increased sensitivity are still being explored, it underscores that the impact of alcohol goes beyond just immediate intoxication and can have longer-term implications that may disproportionately affect women. So there you have it. 5 key reasons why alcohol often has a more pronounced effect on women than men. Lower body water percentage, less efficient alcohol metabolism in the stomach, hormonal fluctuations, generally smaller body size, and potentially greater brain sensitivity. Understanding these biological differences is crucial for making informed decisions about alcohol consumption and promoting a more equitable understanding of its effects. If you found this exploration of the science behind alcohol's impact on women insightful, be sure to hit the like, subscribe, and notification buttons. What are your thoughts or experiences on this topic? Share them in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Take care.